Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix algae washer stuck on spin cycle in 2026. So first of all, the washer repeats spin when it cannot confirm proper water drainage, stable load balance or correct sensor feedback. So instead of finishing it keeps retrying the spin phase. So in order to fix it, first of all you need to check if the water is fully drained. For that you can open the door and look inside. If you still see water, it means that the washer will not exit spin mode. So in this case, you just have to simply clean the drain filter and the hose to restore the proper drainage. Now, after doing this, just do not just spread the clothes randomly. Take the items out and reload them evenly. Avoid heavy clumps like towels and blankets on one side. The balanced distribution is going to help the washer complete the spin. After doing so, you need to also remove all the clothes and then run the spill cycle only. If it completes normally, it means that the issue was with the load related and it was not mechanical. Now ensure that the washer is also perfectly leveled. If it wobbles even slightly, it will keep trying to rebalance and stuck in spin. So you can try these easy fixes and you will see that the error is gone forever and the spin cycle is not stuck anymore. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.